and welcome to today's video, which is going to be my back to school supplies haul for 2018. This is my first back to school video and I'm so excited to start the series and for all the videos coming up. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, I do videos about stationery, about studying and how to make it more fun and how to study more effectively. And also, I cover topics like productivity and organization. Also, question of the day. Let me know in the comments down below what grade are you going into this year. I'm going to 10th grade and I'm very curious what grade you are going into. So, comment below. I just wanted to let you guys know that everything you see in this haul will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure to check out the description box of this video. And with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I got are the zebra myliners. These are so popular and I really wanted to try them out, so I got all the 3 packs and here I rearranged the colors, but when I'll swatch them I'll show you guys what the packs are. So as you guys can see, they have 1 highlighter tip and 1 fine tip, so that's pretty cool, and they're very popular just because of their unique colors. You guys know most highlighters have very boring and really eye-catching colors, while these colors are really mild and really unique. So I really love these, I'm just obsessed with them. Moving on, I also got some sticky notes or post-it notes. I got 2 packs of these colorful ones. There are 5 colors in each pack and I go through these so quickly that I really needed to stock up on these, and these are just so basic, so I don't really think there's much to say. Next, I got some page markers from aliexpress.com, I believe, and I got this purple set, but of course these are available in a bunch of different colors. These are basically 6 shades of the color pack you choose, and these are paper page markers. I really wanted these because there are some other page markers of like another material, and it's so hard to write on them, and these paper ones are really awesome and unique. So I really love them, and also they were $50 or something like that, so that's pretty cool. The next item that I got is the Happy Planner, and this particular one is called Squad Goals, and this is an 18-month planner that begins July 2018 and ends December 2019, so it's like a year and a half, which is why it's quite bulky, but I really like it. And here I'm just showing you guys some of my favorite like pages or like dividers. I also got 3 sticker books that the same brand sells. So I got the seasonal one, the watercolor one, and also the quotes one. So here I'm just showing you guys some of my favorite pages of each pack. So this is the quotes pack, and then this is the watercolor pack, and I absolutely love it because I love watercolor and also I love pastel colors, and this pack is just amazing. And the seasonal pack, I love it as well because you guys know I love seasons and decorating for them, so it's perfect for me. The next thing that I picked up is a new pen case, which is this beautiful light bluish color. I'm just in love with the color, obsessed. And this is a silicone pen case, and it's perfect because I've never actually had one of these like silicone ones, so I wanted to try it out and see how I like it. And this is from the brand MINISO, which is a Japanese brand like MOORI, but it's available in my country, whereas MOORI isn't available here. Now let's talk about some of the stuff I picked up for my pen case, like pens and stuff. So I got the Pentel Energel X pen in black 0.5mm, as you guys can see. And when YouTubers said that this pen is amazing, I was like, okay, it's just a pen. But I'm here to tell you that it's not just a pen, it's amazing. It writes so smoothly and effortlessly. There's no railroading or anything like that, so I'm obsessed with it. And then I also got 10 pack of refills so that I can use it for the whole year. I hope this lasts for the whole year. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to rebuy. So I 110% recommend this to you, so try it out. Then I also got some mechanical pencils from a local stationery shop, so I can't really like give what brand these are. They don't really have a brand, but these just work like they're supposed to. One is an HB and the other one is a 4B, and they're super cute, like pastel pink and blue colors, so I really love them, super excited to use them. If you have pencils, you also need an eraser to erase your mistakes. So I got the Sakura Oak foam eraser in mini size, and as you guys can see, it erases really well, so I definitely recommend if you need a really good eraser. And then sometimes you need to erase mistakes that you've made with a pen and eraser won't work, so you need some correction tape. I got this correction tape from DAULPHIN, but I didn't really like it, so I don't recommend it, I guess. It didn't really stick to the paper and it wasn't good quality. And then the next thing that I got is a multi-ruler from the brand MOORI, and this thing was so expensive. It was $475 for just a ruler, but basically you can unfold this and then fold this, so it's a very long ruler that fits in your pencil case, so it's convenient but also overpriced. So I don't really know if it's worth it or not, but I like it. It's good quality. The next thing that I picked up is a ruler set, which is a pack of 5 rulers. All these are so practical and also very pretty because they come in these really cool pastel colors, and this was only $1, which makes the MOORI ruler overpriced, but I really like them and super excited to use them. Now let's talk about some of the notebooks that I picked up. So I picked up 2 A4 size notebooks. One of them is this London themed notebook, which is a spiral bound notebook, and it has grid pages, and it basically says, by seeing London I have seen as much of life as possible, or something like that, which is ironic because I haven't been to London. And then the next thing that I got is this Big Ideas Start Dreaming sketchbook, I guess. It has blank pages, so I guess it's a sketchbook, but one thing I don't like about it is that the pages are very yellow, and I wasn't aware of that when purchasing it. Next, I got 2 composition notebooks, which are so basic. I'm sure you guys know that these have lined pages, and these are overall just an essential for school, and that's the reason I got them. And I also got a binder, but this year I decided to get an A5 binder because I already had A4 binders, and this is just a transparent 6-ring basic binder. Moving on, I also got some A5 smaller notebooks. So the first one is this blue one, which says "Smile is always in fashion," and it has grid pages. And then the next one is my favorite one. It's a donut themed notebook, and it also has grid pages, and it says, "It's a donut day and I want to spend it with you," which is really cute. And the last one has just diagonal colorful lines and is a lined notebook. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button so that more people can find it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so down below. And I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye!